Hey traders, just wanted to review my trades for today using the TrueTrader system. So if you're researching whether to get the TrueTrader system, I have a link to a review video in the description of this video, and also I'll put a card at the end. But yeah, I used the TrueTrader chat room and scanners to get trade signals when to trade. So today I had 3 trades. Two came from the scanner, one came from the chat room. So let's review the first one. I have my trades log here from my broker. So here's my broker's trading panel, and then here's my charting software, which is TradingView. And so my first trade was in CARG, and again, this came from the scanner. I went short CARG, about 300 shares, and it was right about this level that I shorted it. It kind of faked me out a little bit with this strong spike, and I just figured I'd get out for kind of break even. However, the float was, or not the float, I'm sorry, the volume was kind of low, and it was just hard to get out. So I actually had to get out for a little bit of a negative. But had I stick to my plan, I would have probably got out around VWAP this moving average. And yeah, I just should have stuck to my plan on this one. Got a little emotional, and it cost me about $30. So lesson learned. The second trade was in SCHL, and I'll let that pop up. Charts are acting a little slow this morning, so it was also kind of frustrating. And what we see here is that it had made a dip into this level, and I had gotten it around 34.79. So sorry, 22.81. Looking at the wrong ticker. 22.81. So right around here, and it progressed its way up. I didn't know which way it was going, so I think I exited around this point. Also, it didn't fill me up on all my shares. I tried to get more shares, but that's all it would fill me on. So the other trade was LCA. This came from the chat room. I got somebody who's looking at one of the scanners that I wasn't looking at, perhaps the spike scanner, and they noticed that there was a huge drop in LCA. So these are minute candles here, and we can see it just plummeted at this point. And this is where I got in. So I got in about 300 shares at 21.77 right here, and it just did a nice move up, and I was pretty sure it was going to hit VWAP, but again, it kind of tested the lows and bounced around. So I'm really happy with where I got out there. So yeah, again, I'll put up a review video of TrueTrader here at the end, and I suggest you take a look if you haven't already joined. Thank you.